Are you tired of guessing which backlinks your competitors have that you don't? Learn how to find every missing link in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to use Semrush's Backlink Gap tool, from setting up your project to exporting prospects. Start by going to your Semrush folders. Then click on SEO Tools to access the suite. Now click on Backlink Gap to open the tool. Take a moment to review this part of the interface. Click on the first highlight to add a competitor. Then click on the second highlight to add another competitor. Now click on Root Domain to set the analysis scope. Then switch to Subdomain for a more granular view. And click on Subdomain again to confirm. Finally, click on URL to specify a particular page. Then click on Find Prospects to generate the report. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.